Hey students, free dollars for college goes fast, but New Haven Promise is here to help. We are a program that provides thousands of dollars in college scholarships and career development services and so much more. We follow you to, through college, and back. To earn New Haven Promise, you need to be a New Haven resident, attend a New Haven public school, have good grades, have good attendance, and last but not least, 40 Promise-approved community service hours. Let me guide you through the process of logging in hours and what will be needed for them to be approved. Step 1. Perform your community service at a New Haven nonprofit organization or a Promise pre-approved activity. Step 2. Record your service in Servo.city. Submit hours right after you do them. Hours can be submitted on your phone or laptop. For today, we are using a mock account for someone you probably know, LeBron James. Start by putting your ID and last name. Be careful, don't submit more than 8 hours a day because each day of service needs a separate entry. Please make sure you put details in this description field so we can verify your service hours. Once you hit submit, you can review all the hours you've logged in so far. Step 3. Email proof of service documentations to service@newhavenpromise.org. Documentation can be a letter from the organization or a school-provided form signed by your supervisor. Note, without documentation, we cannot verify your hours. To check your community service status, contact us by phone or email. We hope this video was a source of help and inspiration. Your service to the New Haven community is appreciated and needed now more than ever. Thank you.